Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is one of everyone's favorite. Yes, I'm talking about chicken enchiladas. This is my version of how I make for my kids. They love it. I hope you love it too. Let me show you how I make it. Let's go. Let's start with the shredded chicken first. I have used boneless chicken breast tenderloins, but you can also use boneless chicken breast or even store-bought shredded chicken. We are going to season both sides and allow the chicken to cook completely. This way, we are sure that the chicken is well seasoned. Once the chicken cooks, we will start shredding it with the help of forks. Shredded chicken is great for this enchilada recipe. Here I have used store-bought enchilada seasoning, but I also have mentioned how to make the homemade seasoning. Check in the description box below. Now we'll allow it to cool. Now I know you will think it's a lot of butter, but trust me, it's not that much for the quantity we are making. Now let's make the sauce. The detailed recipe with the measurements is in the description box. I'm using whole milk. Keep whisking and this will allow the sauce to thicken. Ensure there are no lumps in between. The blend of these cheeses gives an amazing taste to the sauce. If you don't find asadero cheese, then you can replace it with Monterey Jack. Keep the sauce aside for some time. Here I am adding picante to the shredded chicken. This gives an amazing flavor and adds a slight kick. Again, I am adding some of the cheese blend to the chicken filling. I'm using flour tortillas. Now let's start assembling the dish. Place the chicken mixture on the side and start rolling up. Roll up these tortillas and place them in the greased baking dish. Pour the prepared sauce over the enchiladas evenly, then the cheese blend and then the picante on top. Use as much cheese as you like. Bake in a preheated oven. Look at how the cheese has melted wonderfully. This is amazing. Garnish it with some spring onions before serving and we are ready to dig in. Look at how lovely these look and I wish you could taste these just now. These are just wow. Hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe.